Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
What a girl.
What a mug.
Yeah, Xena. Yeah, mamas.
What? Hey, come back over that. Hey, give me my stick. Wild turkey. I'm glad these numbskulls haven't seen him yet.
So beautiful out here.
I love that.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
I love that we're here. We can walk through this, you know?
Yeah. Super cool, huh?
Yeah.
It was neat walking those orchards.
Mm-hmm.
We did that.
Right.
We did that.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Mother Nature just says, yeah, you burned our shit down, but now look.
See, that's us too, you know? That's us.
We're resilient.
Everybody's way more resilient than they know. I just love it out here. I know what Mom's doing, but he wants to know. Look, now he's really in the camera. But look at you, man. You look great right there. It's a great angle, too, huh? Yeah. So do a little TikTok dance. Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, TikTok us, baby. Break it out. I wish the video could pick up the rubberness of my muscles, my leg muscles. Because then I feel like y'all would be getting the full experience of this walk that we are on.
Nobody knows.
The kind of pain I'm in.
Nobody knows.
The way I've used my muscles today.
I thought I was walking up.
But I guess I was walking down. And on the return, I just might die.
I lay down.
Might lay down. I know every time we stop, we see it's all in a wet little ditch real quick. Let me lay down for half a sec.
She does. She gets hers.
If I put this thing all the way on, that would be better, huh?
Maybe.
See.
If you didn't bring everything you owned in.
I dumped a lot out.
Okay.
You'd be surprised.
I can see you were successful.
You know what's really funny about that too?
I
Is
still believe you dumped it out so you could put more in, but that's
Of
just
course.
my theory.
It's making room. And getting rid of some of the weight.
Struggle's real.
Struggle's so real.
Look at the swing going on between the two of you.
Oh.
What? Yeah,
I hope not. Are we close?
look in there. What? The drone with no controller? What are we laughing at?
I'm all pulling your phone out. Like, what is that gonna do, Arlene? You're supposed to be looking at the water bag. Such a creature of habit, huh?
We out of water?
Oh, yes. We sucked that dry.
I thought it went to negative pressure.
Negative pressure. You're like, I got extra room now. Oh my gosh, honey.
I think the bulldog just rolled over. I watched her go down. It was like the Titanic. We laughed at her.
That's what I'm gonna roll over like the Titanic.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Smells out here. And the colors. Lime green of spring. It's a dogwood. Just wild out here. Look at her. What is going on? Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Do you see how big it is, too? Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful, you guys. They're so beautiful. Oh, so pretty, right? I want to climb this tree. I want to get up there in the flowers. Look at that. Oh, look, there's a flower there, too. Oh. Look at that, see? Oh, she got a flower in her hair. Oh, you guys, it's just amazing up here. You can see the flowers all around me. What? See? Now y'all know why I wanted to climb this tree, huh? There's a few of them, too. I saw a few more over there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could chase these trees. And then I would never find my way back. That would not be okay. She's amazing. I'm gonna hug this tree. Oh, girl. What is all? See, I think it's because I dried my pants. Oh, silly girl. Chunky silly girl. Oh, she's just...
Alright, we definitely want. Nice, got the sign. Whoosh. Oh! Little dog.
As you guys could tell by the intro, we are no longer in Central California. We came through Lake Tahoe, our home, for a couple of days, and now we're gonna head out to the desert. Seems like this virus is just not gonna calm down for a minute, and so we are adapting as we go and letting go of our heading north to the boat plans for another month. We're just gonna go, looks like, do a lot of how we started this journey a year ago. So it's gonna be fun to make a movie with different equipment, a 1.5 year experience on the road. It'll be a totally different experience. So we are heading to Fish Lake Valley. There are our other friends, Robert and Brenda, who are full-time travelers, are gonna meet us there, and the 4 of us are gonna...
They're our Suzuki buddies.
Suzuki buddies. You guys saw them on the van build. We did a little Suzuki desert run with them during the van build. So it'll be fun to have some friends and...
We're gonna kill it.
Show them Nevada.
All kinds of ghost towns.
Yeah.
Climbs.
We stocked up on a lot of food. So we are all hooked up and show you guys probably some of the drive and when we get there.
See you there.